I can't wait to bring you guys along today as we visit 3 different Goodwill locations in search of some quality home decor pieces. We'll also be scanning the racks looking for some fresh new wardrobe items. This day, my family and I were a little ways away from our home in Florida and had the chance to visit the South Carolina, Augusta area. The selection in these stores was so great, we ended up spending our entire day just visiting Goodwills. Here we are heading into our first Goodwill. This Goodwill was unlike any other we had visited before. It had its very own bakehouse and cafe. What else could you really ask for while thrifting? Alright, let's see what kind of prices we're looking at here. The first items that caught my eye were these false graph pieces. I've really been loving how this collection works in my kitchen decor. The price felt a little bit high on these, so I decided to hold out to hopefully find some for a bit less. I thought this little vase could have worked perfectly as a brush holder and be really nice on a vanity. I just wanted to show you guys that one. I really like these matching pots, but $5.99 felt super high. I'm still trying to get a good feel for what different planters should cost so I can feel more confident when thrifting them. I definitely get a little overexcited because I'm having so much fun learning to garden right now. Next, I decided to move on to the frames and wall decor. I thought this old framed print of ships was really beautiful. Sadly, I noticed there was some water damage on the back and went ahead and left that one there. Gosh, I really just loved the pretty blue and different florals on these plates and definitely regret not bringing these home. Ooh, what is this? Pretty. Wooden storage bin for $24.42. It's an interesting price. Ooh, it's definitely got some type of a water damage on the inside. It's neat though. These chairs are really nice. They're $24.42. Actually had this print. I think I paid $8 for mine, but I did paint the frame and I wish that I did not do that. This one's $49.99. I'm just starting to add these silvery tones into my home and I thought this could be a possibility. Wait and just think about that one. I saw these new looking white leather Converse and got excited because I wear my canvas ones constantly and I thought having a version that was wipeable could be really convenient. And these are my size. They're a 9 for $34.99. The tread's almost new. I might try those on. Those were pretty cute. I had the canvas ones on today. I just love how comfy and versatile these are to style. I think the style of this sandal is adorable and I didn't have to think long about adding these to the cart. Okay, I'll try those on. Yep, these are my exact size. I picked up this top right when we walked in. It's some type of a cotton blend if I had to guess. Let's see, it feels really substantial and nice. I've never heard of the brand. Way off. It's linen and rayon. Just then, Faith showed up with all of her clothing finds.
Text Jordan to see if he wants this because it's a Gymshark shirt and it's his size. And it's set only $7, so not bad.
It's nice of you to find a shirt for your brother.
And then I found these. It's new tags. It's just like these cute pink pants.
I like them, babe. Is there something on the front?
Oh, that's just from my Starbucks. It's just condensation water.
So no.
So no, yeah.
So they're from Target.
Yeah, and they're
So
brand
how
new.
much were they originally? 30. Did you try them on?
Not yet.
Sorry.
But I mean,
they're cute. I really
they're
like
medium.
them.
I think they'll fit.
I like them. If you don't like them, I might try them.
Yeah, I mean, I think they don't fit. They'll fit you. So.
I found this.
Is it a dress or a shirt?
It's a shirt.
So,
Is it a dress?
I think it's a dress.
No, it's not.
It's a dress.
Is it really?
That's a dress.
It might be a dress.
Yeah.
Oh,
It's
that's
a really
funny.
long shirt if it's a That's definitely a dress.
Well, I've been seeing shirts like this that are long.
Yes.
With
just
like
not
short,
that long.
with your shorts though.
Yeah, just not that long. That's definitely.
All right,
a
jury's
dress.
out. We don't know if this is a shirt or a
It's a
dress. Faith says it's a dress.
Yes.
We'll see. Faith and I are just taking a quick peek through the dresses.
Well, it's not all dresses. There's like leggings and stuff in here.
Oh, okay. Is that urban?
What?
The black and white one, I thought.
Black and white.
I just saw it. It was right in there.
Oh.
Where is that?
Urban Outfitters, yeah. It's
Oh,
not very cute though.
Very different. This denim dress from the loft is really cute. I like the ties on the front. It says extra, extra small, but it must be a really oversized cut because it's not that small. One of my favorite looks is a great fitting denim dress with a pair of boots. All right, we are heading into store number 2. Always gotta secure the bag. All right, I think we're gonna head straight to the back to the home decor section. I haven't seen one of these in person. It looks like the gold is a little messed up. Or is it intentional? I thought it may have been discolored, so I put this one back, but I would love to find another one just like this. I haven't seen any of these out in a while. $7.99 for the set. I feel like that's a good price. We might just hold on to those. Some spongeware. Pottery. Can't tell if it's marked or not. Cute though. Some type of a vase. Pretty. This is what I spotted that made me come down here. These Pyrex bowls are really pretty. I haven't seen any quite like this. It's a set of 3 for $14.99. I think I'm gonna hold on to those. Those are really neat. They're all oven safe. Fits and something. I just think it's kind of fun. I might look this one up. How much is it priced? $5.99. I think we'll look it up. I'm not sure, but this is kind of fun too. That's Hearth and Hand. Let's see here. It's so hard when the mark is covered up. Sorry. This yellow is pretty. I definitely wish I had kept this one. That butter yellow would have been so perfect with different colored florals. This location had a great faux floral selection. Most of these were only $2 or $3. I thought the little pink ones were super sweet. Tapestry style blanket. Ooh, it's pretty. I've really been loving this type of blanket and how much coziness they bring to a space. These quilted shams are really pretty. $7.99 for the pair. Let's see. They're not marked. Very nice though. You never know what you're gonna find in these linen departments. You really just have to take your time and look through all the little pieces. Next, I headed back over to the home decor aisles I hadn't checked out yet. These are really heavy. Gosh, they're really heavy. I just love that Faith hasn't outgrown stuffed animals. She really just has so much fun with them and really enjoys whimsical decor. At $2.99 each. I think I'm gonna think about it. What is this? The little pattern poking out. It's cute.
If it has a little thing on it, you
think we can get that out.
What is that?
That has like a little spot on it.
Oh, that's kind of grody, baby.
Okay. I thought he was fun though.
He is fun. All right, there's another dinosaur.
Yeah, but he's not as cool. Look, where's the other dinosaur? Oh, this guy. Yeah, he's wimpy. I like that guy. There's also like a pterodactyl kind of deal.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, he's fun.
About the troll. I definitely have some cute things in the cart right now that I need to start making some decisions on. Gold frames are something I use a lot in our home and really help add that vintage feeling into a space. This one was only $2.99, and that's generally what you can expect to pay for one of these at a thrift store. Second pair of Converse, $15.99. I think we're gonna have to do it. Guys, I hit the Converse jackpot on this day, and I'm so excited to add more colors to my collection. All right, heading into store number 3, Faith spotted these boots right out of the gate. But guys, I'm a little bougie when it comes to cowgirl boots. If it's not real leather, I gotta pass. All right, we're gonna head on over to the home store. I'm looking for a tall, skinny lamp for my kitchen. The little finial at the top is missing, and it looks like there's some chips. I'm gonna go ahead and leave this one behind. I took a quick peek at these quilted blankets before moving on to the glassware. Definitely have a few cute dishes in here. I love the little birds. Looks like a milk glass plate set. I've never seen one quite like that. I think it's $1.99 per plate. It's a pretty pattern. I don't think I need those. I might think about this one. I'm so glad that I got this one. I can't wait to show you guys at the end how great this one looks in our kitchen. I wanted to see what this floral pattern. I don't think so for $10. Faith's been having so much fun looking at these records. Seeing anything, Faith? This dish is really pretty. $5.99. I think I'm kind of at capacity for this stuff right now, but it's really cute. These candles are neat with the pressed flowers in them. I think these pressed floral candles are so cool and definitely another level of interest above ordinary candles. They're a little scented. I feel like this dress is cute. I feel like this Zara shirt could be really cute and comfy. Let's see how much it is. $5.99. I kind of like that shirt. All right, time to head home and show you guys some of my favorite finds. I'm in love with these Pyrex bowls. The pattern is exactly my style, and I know that I'll be using these for years to come. These brass candlestick holders worked out so great. I plan on ordering some battery power candlesticks in different colors. That way I can switch them out through the seasons. So funny story for this one. I was so excited when I got home to clean this one up and set it out because I just love the colors and I think it's really pretty. I don't have anything like this. When I went to clean it, I somehow loosened the tile and decided I needed to glue it back on. And when I glued it back on, I ended up gluing it back on upside down and then decided to shove it out because maybe it wasn't dry. It was dry. It shattered. I ended up cutting my hand really badly, and at that point I was way too far invested and decided to see it through and glue the whole thing back together. So here she is, looking a little bit banged up but still cute, and I guess now I have a funny story with it. I never would have thought to look for a lamp like this, but I'm so glad I did. It worked out really nicely in this corner in my kitchen. Alright, this is where I'm sitting with my Converse shoe collection, and I definitely plan on finding a few more colors because I truly wear these on repeat, and I love that there's so many colors and patterns to choose from. Alright, that's it for this time. I hope you guys have a great week, and I'll see you next time.